Air usually enters through the nostrils and passes through the nasal cavity. The moist lining of the nasal cavity and the tiny hairs which are present inside filter the air. From the nasal cavity, air enters into the pharynx. The pharynx is a common opening for food and air. Here, there is a small flap-like structure called as epiglottis, which controls the flow of air and food. From the pharynx, air enters into the larynx. The larynx is a stiff box which consists of a pair of vocal cords. These vocal cords vibrate when air enters inside and produce sound. From the larynx, air enters into a structure called as trachea, which is also called as windpipe. So, from the trachea, the air enters into the bronchi. The end of trachea is divided into two bronchi where each one leads into a lung. The bronchi at the end are branched into a number of bronchioles. Every bronchiole consists of number of air sac-like structures called alveoli, and these alveoli are the sites of exchange of gases. Every alveoli consists of blood capillaries around it, where oxygen is taken into the bloodstream and carbon dioxide is released outside and through the nose out into the atmosphere. As the lungs are responsible for the process of breathing, inhaling and exhaling, but still they could not either push out the air nor they can breathe in the air. Here, a dome-shaped structure called the diaphragm helps it out in pushing and pulling the air inside the body. The diaphragm is a structure which separates the thoracic cavity and the abdomen cavity. So, when this diaphragm flattens, the volume in the chest cavity increases, the pressure decreases and the air is pulled into the lungs. When the diaphragm relaxes, the pressure in the chest cavity increases and the air